Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone! I received a package from the brand NewCraftDay. They kindly sent me the diamond painting before, and this time they kindly sent me another one. This is personally chosen by Patrick. So let's unbox. So I'm gonna open it, Patrick. Remember you choose this one?
Yes.
Patrick choose this one. We haven't finished the first one that they sent. The colorful tree. This time they sent. So happy. This is the one who chose this picture. Choose. Ta-da! Can you see it?
Yep. It's a city.
It's a big
Brooklyn Bridge, New York City.
Patrick said it's a big city and he wants it.
Twin Towers. It's an old picture of the city of New York.
Patrick, is this the one you choose?
Yes.
And it's gonna take a very long time because look how big this is. We haven't finished the other one.
Yeah, it's a big one. Yeah.
And it comes with a complete set of the rhinestones. And one for me, one for Patrick to use for the painting. And are you happy? You're gonna start this? Start this right away? We're just here outside in our backyard.
I'll hold it for a while.
He's gonna hold it for a while, he says. And he wants to start it. Wanna start it?
Yes.
So Patrick, you wanna start it?
Yes.
So what do you need? We need some tools.
Tools.
We call it tools. Can you take out your tools?
Yes.
We got a pen. Where's the pen?
Yeah, here.
And you have a plate.
Yes.
And
some glue.
like a glue, yeah, to stick it together. And then you look at the patterns. So they have patterns here. And then we can start with the first one. It's letter. What letter is it?
C.
Not this one.
B.
B. So where's the letter B here?
Here. 11.
11. Okay. So you need to look for the number.
And then first we need to open it.
So can you open it? Okay. Let's open it all the way.
11.
11? Is it 11? Let me see. Okay, so that's it. Get the number 11. Let me open it for you. Baby, can you open it? Can you help me? Don't drop it. That's a lot. It's a lot.
Let's just put a really tiny bit. I promise.
Yeah.
I'll put a really tiny bit.
You put a little tiny bit like that on the plate. Show it. That's right. And then, what's the next step?
Get some glue.
Get some glue.
Let's press it right now.
Yeah, you can press it right now here. Okay, good. Ta-da! And then
Get one of this and stick.
let me see. Yeah, it shows like in the pen. It
Yes.
sticks.
Yeah.
Then you open.
And put it here.
Correct. That's how easy is it?
Yes.
Why
and
do you like doing this?
Because I like cities.
You like cities? And was it fun to do some diamond painting?
Yes.
And you love doing it with Mama?
Yes. Let's do it together.
Let's do it together. Okay. Let's see what you've done. So that's how it looks like.